In this video I will show you how to recover your account in Mobile Legends. So let's get right into the video. First of all, you need to click on your profile in the top left corner. Now from here you need to click on Account. And once you did that, you need to go to Account Center. And once you did that, this menu should open up. Now from here you need to click on Retrieve Account. And now from here you need to click on I need help. And after that you need to click on this. Now from here you need to fill in your account ID, and after that you need to fill in your server. And once you did that, you need to click on Next. And that's it for this video.